My name's Ollie. I'm the Senior Portfolio Manager for Landsec.
My name's Ellis Burgess. I'm the Deputy Guest Services Manager with Rapport. We service all of the Landsec reception desks.
I'm Shannon Berry. I'm Head of Sustainability at Principal Cleaning Services.
I'm James George, Head of Product Innovation and Circularity at Recorra.
So the main reason was they were swapping over a lot of their old uniforms. So the service partners all needed new uniforms across the various sites, and they needed a sustainable solution to deal with them.
So our main problem is that we have over 900 different sites. The client is normally the one who dictates the uniform, and so we'll have everything from a polo to a t-shirt through to a shirt and different types of trousers. So it's everything from the type of materials and then how do we actually dispose of those different types of materials.
So we did look at certain charities that were able to donate some of the uniforms, but generally when there's lots of wear and tear on a uniform, they can't really be used again. We didn't really have another opportunity to do anything else with them.
So they've got something called Aspire.
We have a group of people where it's called Aspire.
So it speaks perfectly into the Aspire model.
So Aspire is the collaboration between the different service partners, basically working in tandem to achieve one goal.
One of the first things that we discussed was Recorra doing this recycling process and how sustainable it was.
One of the things that has made it more impactful was the fact that it wasn't going to incineration and it wasn't going to landfill.
So before we would collect up all of the uniform from the staff when they had finished with them, and then we would almost certainly have put them in general waste, which means they would have gone to incineration.
We securely collect it. It's taken to a secure location in our facility, where it's then aggregated and sent on to our service provider. And our service provider is securely shredded and it is sorted into different material types where it will then be purposed into products such as insulation.
So I love the fact that Recorra have come up with a solution where we can keep these different types of material in circulation for longer.
Everything was pretty much straight away. As soon as we sent an inquiry, we pretty much got the bins arrived to the building within the space of a week.
So you get a box, we put it in our loading bay, everybody fills it up with all the different uniforms that they have, and then we can send it off knowing that it's going to a better place. So at Principal, 99% of our carbon footprint sits within our Scope 3, and 87% of that actually sits within our purchased goods and services.
By recycling workwear, we're not just reducing waste, we're also preserving materials. We're reducing carbon and help businesses meet their sustainability goals.
I would definitely recommend Recorra for this process. It's just, like I said, it's been so seamless, and it's just it's such a big project looking after a uniform.
Well, most of our customers have workwear of some variety with branding on, whether that be facilities management companies, cleaning companies, logistics, retail and security. And so it's a fantastic service for them to ensure that they're dealing with their workwear in a ethical and sustainable way.
It's great that Recorra came to us with a solution to a problem that we all have. So I would definitely recommend this service. And the best thing about it is just how easy it is.
We're turning a waste problem into a resource opportunity, and that's the kind of transformation that drives real change and real recycling.